Doing a quickie here for you guys of front shore power. I have my solar, what is that, a 30, I forget what amperage this is, 30 watt. That Trickle charges my battery and keeps it topped off when I'm out here. And issue that I have is this hood has a problem closing a lot. You have to angle it a certain way, so I don't like opening and closing it all the time, but I have to do it daily because I'm constantly hooking the clamps to the terminal to hook to the solar panel. So I came up with this front shore power connector, which comes out of here. So this is the controller, the solar controller, and then this is the SAE connector here that connects to this, that goes to the battery. So solar, wire, controller, make sure that it doesn't overcharge or discharge. So this is necessary. And then to the battery goes into here, and I wired it with this terminal, positive here, got the 20 amp fuse there, and the negative is grounded to there. I was gonna do it here, but as I was pulling this up, it stopped right here. It wouldn't keep going, so I didn't want to have a problem out here and you know, cross thread or whatever. So this needs to be tightened down. If I cross threaded it and I lost the thread, then no tight, and the roads out here suck, really bouncy, so that's got to be on there good. Didn't want to chance it, so we put it here instead, and that worked. So this is the front shore power connector just for this battery. And that this was maybe 60 bucks. It's a 30 amp or a 30 watt, and ever since I got it, never had problems with a low battery. You're out here opening, closing doors, dome lights come on, locking, unlocking doors, alarm will drain your battery down if you're not driving every single day. I've had many problems on the road where I'm not starting up, and I'll sit there and I'll have to either use my NOCO or just use this to charge it back up. But like I said, since I've had this, all good. Battery's healthy. So there you go. Easy peasy. So we're not having any sun right now, so it's going a little bit wonky. But yeah, when you buy this off Amazon, if you guys want it, just put a comment in there, I want it, and I'll give you the link. This is probably 60 bucks. It comes with the controller, and it comes with the terminal connector. I threw out the original one, so I had to get another one on Amazon. But this right here is to eliminate me having to constantly open and close the hood.